From the Andrews Law Firm is dedicated to personal injury cases, and they won't stop fighting until accident victims get every dollar they deserve. If you or a loved one has been injured by the negligence or of another, call our help center today and schedule your free consultation. They would be happy to evaluate your case. 303-218-BEST. That's 303-218-2378.
We're back now with Mark Andrews, attorney and founder of Andrews Law Firm. And Mark, you have such a diverse background. If you wouldn't mind, just share a little bit about your background with everybody.
Sure. I received my Juris Doctor, which is my law degree, from the University of Denver Stern College of Law. I also have an LLM in taxation from the University of Denver Graduate Tax Program and the Daniels College of Business. An LLM is a Master's in Tax. I went to Rutgers University in New Jersey, undergraduate.
Yeah.
Prior to law school, I worked in finance in Manhattan, downtown Manhattan, for several years. And then just prior to law school, I worked for the New York State Attorney General's office.
Okay, let's add one more to that. You actually used to work for the auto insurance company, so you know the other side as well.
That's true. That's true. I used to be an auto insurance defense attorney, and that gave me really a unique perspective into the mindset and the tactical strategy of large auto insurance companies. And I think in a lot of ways it has made me a better plaintiff's counsel personal injury attorney.
Yeah. So what else would you say really sets you apart from the other personal injury attorneys? Sure.
What really sets us apart is we're a boutique firm. We're not a huge, enormous impersonal law firm. We really care about people. And our motto is personalized service, personalized care, and passionate advocacy for our clients. We're small for a reason. We really care about people, and we want to really get to know. I think we really want to get to know people, and I think that's the best way for us to better serve our clients.
Yeah, earlier you said boutique, and I was going to ask you, what does that mean? That's exactly what it means.
That's exactly what it means, right.
All right, so let's talk about, when people call in today, how do you determine what their case is worth? If they have a case, how does that work?
Sure, that's a great question. I get that question a lot. And we look at several factors when we're evaluating a case. And when you're injured in a car accident or a motorcycle, truck, or pedestrian accident, there's several factors that play into the value of your case. It's not a quick and easy answer, and it really involves a pretty in-depth analysis. But to give you sort of some of the highlights, things like your medical costs, your pain and suffering, the financial, physical, and emotional effect on the victim, and also the financial, emotional, and physical effect on the victim's families is also important too.
Yeah, it affects everyone involved. Yeah,
sure, it also affects the victim's professional and personal life. All those things play into what a case is actually worth. It's not a really quick and easy evaluation. I think to do it well and to do it right, you really have to get to know your client and really understand how this accident has affected their lives.
Yeah, and I think a lot of people, when they were involved in an accident, even if they think they might have a case, a lot of them are very fearful of, oh my gosh, this is going to cost so much money, legal fees and everything. So how does that come into play? How do your legal fees work?
Sure, we get paid on a contingency basis, which means the victim only compensates the attorneys if we have a successful settlement or a favorable verdict for the plaintiff at trial. Otherwise, there's no cost to the victim. To sort of coin a phrase, if we don't win, it doesn't cost you anything. So that's how the contingency fee works. And it's also outlined in the attorney-client fee agreement, which during the free consultation we go through in depth, and we'll answer any questions also at that time.
You're really passionate about helping injured motorcyclists. How do you help this community?
Sure, thanks for asking that. We are really passionate about making sure that Colorado's motorcycle riders are safe and healthy. Motorcycle accidents can really be devastating, especially to the rider. The degree of injury is also usually a lot worse because you don't have the safeguards that you have in an automobile. We'd really like to offer a promotion in the future. We'd like to raffle off a Harley-Davidson every year and donate those proceeds 100% to charities that help bikers and their families who are recovering from a collision.
Yeah. How long have you been doing that?
Well, we haven't done it yet.
Okay, you're launching this idea.
We're launching this idea.
I love it.
With the help of your viewers, we'd like to be able to make this financially viable and do it in the future.
Yeah, that's
right.
a great idea. So how important it is, is it after an accident that someone call you, immediately following the accident? How much time, how much wiggle room do they have to kind of take care of things and then get an attorney?
I would tell you that the sooner the better, only because there are things that you can do as an injury victim that you might believe are well-meaning but can damage your case. So it's really important to have the right representation up front and as close to the accident as possible. Now, that doesn't mean that we can't help people that maybe if there's a little time is lagged between the accident and the time that they call us, we can really help everyone. It's better to call us as close to the accident as possible.
As soon as you can.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, and you're going to get your questions answered today if you call the Help Center. So if you or a loved one has been injured in a motorcycle accident or any kind of accident, learn how your case can help other injured riders. 303-218-BEST. That's 303-218-2378.
And here's the information to reach the Andrews Law Firm when the team is not here in the Help Center. So you can write this down and you can call them anytime, 303-861-1500. And you can learn more online at andrewslawfirm.org.
Still to come on